know it's your boy DJ Chaddy and I'm back again on Arms House Record. Just drop a killer rhythm and we are going to review it. We are going to review the whole rhythm. To tell you if it's hot or it not. You know what I mean? So stay tuned.
Set good body, but you get me up when you are twerking. Twerking, twerking. Cock it up, you not nothing to worry about your body perfect. Perfect, you're perfect. Now your ears and me, I tell you all the things that you want. Why?
So at the time of making this video, only 8 track was released. Alkaline, Dutty Badmind, which me reviewed the entire song there already. Me I go link it in the YouTube card above. So just click the top right hand corner. If you want to watch that full review, me I go put it in the description as well. And Jahmiel, Powerful, Govana, Inna the Sky, Konshens, Rich Time Now, Sheno, Radio, Shenseea, Can't Beat Me, OCG, Life Easy, Octane, Money Increase, and upcoming artist GStar, Fendi. So that's 9 tracks I call out a while ago, but one of them no release yet. As I say, at the time of making this video, I search the whole YouTube and I can't find the song. And that Shenseea, Can't Beat Me. But I find a little preview on our IG page. So I go play it and make you hear the little preview when I have phone.
Shenseea, yo, I say after me day for this boy now, him nah go on good. As me say sing him up, come raise up him honor. After me nice, clean, good scrum, sugar woman. It's big and mean like Mr. Krabs. Come angle me and flip me like Krabby, but in brighty.
So from you hear that intro, you know say it's a song where she a burn out the man them, we a beat the woman them. Me no like them man them neither, because no man no fear beat no woman. And people, there's more. So hear more of Shenseea, Can't Beat Me.
Boy can't beat me, S me murder that. Me a real bad girl, me not take shots. Boy just hype and can defend that. Can't touch much less, treat me like floor mat. Me no afraid of no man. No way, can't pass him place. No day, no money nor body can make me stay. Can't take me feed that.
Well, we hear the chorus and we hear the intro. And me can say it sound like a bad song. But people, me apologize for the distorted audio in the music, because Instagram I pull it down from, as I say, the original, the official song no release at the time of making this video. But she make a post on IG suggesting that she's on a video shoot. So I don't know if it's a video shoot for this song or what, but she post this picture and make this post. So next song more to talk about is Jahmiel, Powerful.
Now the thing powerful. The streets no man powerful. Things take time but the cup are full. The streets no man powerful.
Yo, and me I said, me have a big up Jahmiel. Jahmiel really a show growth. Jahmiel really a show strength. Jahmiel really a show say him coming at the music business. Why for the come? Him forward in the music business for stay. You know what I mean? Alright now, him reach on the next level when powerful. So in the song, the man a talk about the stages when going in him life. You know what I mean? The stages where the man go from point A to point B and elevate him life. Or him work hard for him get. You see me? And him never go low out. The man a show you say, yo, you see before the Beamer, you see before all of them flashy car there, the man used to have one little old Corolla. More time him a go sent on, it broke down upon him. You see me? And probably a couple girl a walk past and a laugh off of him. But you see right now, the man thing shot, the man thing take off. Nobody can do style the man a know. Cause a Beamer, the man a driving now. So you see right now, Jahmiel and Chaddy TV.
Powerful. The streets no man powerful. Things take time but the cup are full.
So next song, me I go review a Konshens, Rich Time Now. Because the man I say, yo, right now, I'm money time. We don't need for pre-violence. And me like that song as well.
Dog a rich time now. Money man a pre-pocket we a try grow. Me friend them fi rich be a winners I know. House full of groceries you think I low. Man poor too long. Dog a rich time now.
my brother bleach and cut up in my brow. The frustration make him a move psycho. I think connect the dots them tic-tac-toe. Man broke too long, I got reach time now.
Well, from you hear the title and you hear the chorus, you don't know say it's a money song. A money the banner talk about. And as what me say, a rich time now. Konshens say, a rich time now. Them trick we and talk about money at the root of all evil. But people, not having money at the root of all evil. Because that's when you don't have money, you pray some evil thing. So right now, a rich time now. And Octane also have a money song on the money order Riddim. It's called Money Increase. Check it out.
I saw the money increase. Our time now, our place, so we run it with ease. Watch them and look and we looking like how we did dream. I know I don't, so we call them get a brain freeze. Yeah, the money increase, money increase.
Well, Armshouse Records and Octane, them always have a good chemistry. Because at them they come up with a big hit there. Any man with straight and clean bust a blank. Bop, bop. Yeah man, that are the Armshouse Records. You don't know say Octane sing it. So this song should be a good song. So next on the list we have OCG with Easy Life. Cause some boy love too much Easy Life.
Some boy got end up with fur in a them damn mouth. Cause them sit down and wait for handouts. As early as the morning raise them shoot them hands out. Cause them love too much easy life, love too much easy life, easy life.
Yeah, and OCG a burn out them money. Because you have some man on the road, them only want to sit down and get things. You have some man on the road, them not do nothing. Them only want to take up them phone and call a foreigner and say, yo, you know say I want a pair of shoes or I want money for God a party. Yeah? And you see man like them there, we wake up with fur in them mouth. Like with OCG I say, man like them there, we bend down and kneel down for things and make man stick them for things. And from you know say, yo, you work hard, and from you know say, even if you not have a work right now, you know, but you do one little hustling to try elevate yourself. You know, just sit down on the corner and smoke weed every day. And people, nothing wrong with a little weed smoking. Nothing at all wrong with it. But please, elevate yourself. Don't sit down every single day and rub out your hand miggle. And that OCG a burn out. The man them will love too much easy life, easy life.
Love too much easy life, easy life. No I work for where you want. You feel work for where you want.
So next song me I go talk about is GStar, Fendi. And me have to applaud Armshouse Records for that one. If you notice how much upcoming and young artists depend on that one, for sure you say him a push them young artists there. Him not stay like some producer would say, yo, if I no big name depend it, him not advise you. So if I no Cartel, Alkaline, Movado or the top guns them in a dance hall, them not put up on a Riddim. No, and also Armshouse Records stay. So big up for that one. So here is GStar, Fendi.
You will bust out a face. You know in a big bust out a chase. You and your gang bust out a face. You and your gang bust out a face.
People, do remember at the end of this review, me I go on my honest opinion on which song me feel say I go lead the Riddim. Which song me feel say I go take the Riddim. Is it Jahmiel or is it Alkaline? Stick to the end of the review and you go know. But right now, me I go talk about Govana in the sky.
Man never drop guard. Jenna seen thing, man a top dog. Him a just land, you know see all that broad. Never fresh now, fly like a Concorde. Buy piece of land, suck your mother landlord. Homestead know the thing, never drop his standard. When me touch a road, I feel have a mad dog. Ever stand guard like say Mocha Vanguard.
I think Govana for this year are the perfect example of waiting your turn. Govana definitely stood in line and wait his turn. He never go low out. He never go sing about no freakiness for boss. Him just go good music. Him just do good music. And this a perfect example of good music where Govana do.
The pressure man beer, where them there, when my shoes and shirt them have tear. But me never pray life and fear, cause me know judge and not give you where you can't bear. Some wait till the trees them bear, enough can't wait, so them end up in a false here. Hold the faith long time and swear. Look there now, Jenna gone clear.
Yes, Govana, you gone well clear. You know, so if I tell you the truth, me not got enough commenting on the song, yeah? Because I feel say the song say everything what it fi say already. And people, that song ya, tell me in the comment section as well if you want me do a in-depth review on that song ya. Cause that song ya, I wanna top pick them what me pick. A while ago, me say, if you stay a little longer, me tell you know which song me feel say I go run the rhythm in the long term, and this are definitely one of the song them where me feel say I go have longevity pon the rhythm ya. You see me? So me not say nothing more about that song ya. Next song we are gonna talk about a Sheno Radio. And from me left it for last. That no mean say it are the worst. That means say it are the best, at least best in my eye. Best at the Chaddy TV eye. Best pick for me will take the rhythm. You see me? And yeah, me feel say other Sheno ya I go run the rhythm away because look, you know, Alkaline upon it and Jahmiel upon it. Govana, we just talk about Shenseea, bunch of other artists upon it. Konshens, big up yourself upon it as well. But me feel say the song ya come with a different flavor, it come with a different style. And a long time we not see Sheno of the little style ya. You see me? I mean, him do couple song in the past, him do couple party song in the past. But yo, the song ya hot song over here, so you see me? So without further ado, we are gonna play the song make we no hear.
Me think loud like radio, how with them here about. Man up here, no see the miller share out. Nobody no share out, bang book we are out. We happy like Addy get the loud.
Yeah man, Sheno say yo the thing turn up, this thing up like radio. You see me? Loud like radio. Him happy like Addy get bail out. You can imagine how happy he must be, cause right you know if Cartel get bail out, you know man. The whole Jamaica a jump for joy. I mean, Prime Minister Andrew Holness, I think, would have to declare a national holiday. But we are going to play some more of Sheno up like radio. Hear the party in the verse.
When me jump on New York, hear the girl them say at 97 yeah. Become an Irish, plus me full of fame. Girl want pull me zip, isn't that cool? Now the girl them a complain on some fool. Say them now get them regular nightly feeds. Don't stop. BBC say Figgy and 99 jumps with one extra. Hot like fire, it's on top of it's ear. Them my next shot become a loud like radio.
Yes, Sheno, you're not telling a lie. The thing really loud like radio. That song ya loud like radio, you know what I mean? But it's your boy DJ Chaddy, and as I tell you, say me do the full review pan the Money Order Rhythm produced by Arms House, and me must add the part in there. Big up Arms House Records, Arms House Production. You know what I mean? Rather, big up yourself, because a long time we don't see a juggling like this, and the people them that ask for a juggling like this, like back in the days. A matter of fact, me did do a review about why juggling now make our something like that would be the topic. But I'm glad for this. Me can hold off for my review now. Me not have to do the review there and talk about some of them producer here when now make the juggling. Anyway, still a 13-minute gone, and we don't want to draw out the thing. So it's your boy DJ Chaddy, and if you want to follow me on IG, you can follow me at I am DJ Chaddy. So that's at I am DJ CHADDY. Don't forget, people, I'm on the road to 1,000 subscribers. Almost reach 1,000 subscribers. So tell your friend to subscribe, tell your mother to subscribe, auntie, father, uncle, cousin, everybody in your family. Just tell them to subscribe to Chaddy TV, because we do the hottest and baddest review around here. It's your boy DJ Chaddy, and I'm out.
Me think loud like radio, how with them here about. Man up here, no see the miller share out. Nobody no share out, bang book we are out. We happy like Addy get the loud.